doing?
Now I'm just somebody that you used to know. Yeah. Twitter, how do you find my makeup today?
Cleopatra.
Cleopatra is not like this. This is inspired by Patrick Star.
I thought expired.
So the Patrick Star na posing. Dikimasin.
Tashi na umay.
Dosyo. Wow, this lighting is so good. You see, we're so good effect here. Yeah. Wow, look at my hair. The curls are all gone. What you thinking? You're like that.
Si bababim kikero.
Nani ka bababi? Bababi.
Tambok ba?
Bababoy.
Bababoy kayo. Bababim lang. Bababim. Bababum.
Ba, ingon si Papa ba, bababoy daw ka.
Di bababum. Ayaw na shit. That's bad.
Don't say that. She's not baboy. She's just piglet.
You're bad. You're supposed to be her mother.
I'm not bad. She's cute and piglet and...
What a comment.
We're heading to MosBurger. MosBurger, I'm coming. We are in MosBurger. MosBurger. Tabi tayo.
Parking.
So, parking sagasuru. Doko pako kana? Doko desu ka? Wow, sunset. Doko. Yo! Boy, stop dayo. We're in the wrong like this, oh. Enter, no smoking. Yeah, we don't smoke. You enter there. Push you. It says pull. So this is inside MosBurger. Hi! Wow! Your hanky is pink. Oh, a nice hanky. Yeah, I feel so close.
You're not like anything. Yo,
So,
running.
this is what I'm having. Oh, I guess this is your seat. Actually. So, I think MosBurger is a little healthier compared to McDonald's, right? What do you think?
I don't know.
And some fries, you know, because I'm a fries addict, but mine's not yet coming. I'm having cola. Yeah, cola baby. So I'm waiting for my burger. Hi, Daiso. Home sweet home. Yeah, I'm already full. That MosBurger was delish. Yes, it was. I don't eat often from MosBurger, but I like it. I like it better than McDonald's. Yes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night because I want to spend time with my lovey-dovey. So I think we're gonna watch a movie tonight. Yes. So yeah, I hope you had a wonderful day today, you guys, and have a blessed day as always. So I hope to see you next time, and yeah, oyasu minasai. Take care, everyone.